myself Pallavi Upadhyay. I have joined QSPIDER in February and I got placed in September. Talking about my designation, then I placed as a Python developer. The package is 3 LPA. And talking about QSPIDERS, it's a great institute for you. If you are a last year student or third year student, then you can pursue your journey with QSPIDER. They can help you a lot with all the things, and the concept of study here is quite good, like including mocks, daily presentation, the monthly mocks. They help you a lot throughout the journey, and they also help you to build your confidence, and along with that they are providing grooming side by side for your review. And talking about the faculty of QSPIDERS, they are quite good teachers. Like I was for your interview. And talking about the trainers, then I am quite grateful to Nadeen sir, Hemant sir, Harshal sir and Himanshu sir also for helping me to learn Python and the other concepts related to Python, the web technologies and SQL also. And after Devashish sir also for always motivating us to do something good in your life, to achieve your goals. And a special thanks to HR ma'am for giving me the opportunities. About my interview rounds, there were only a single round which includes my introduction, the introduction to my projects, a brief description about my project, and there were 2 questions related to Python coding. That's all. Thank you.